I'm here today in front of one of my favorite mowers, the Gravely ZT-HD. These things are incredible machines if you've got some acreage. And with me is Lanny. He is our Gravely sales rep. He's been with us now for 3 or 4 years?
5.5 years.
5.5 years? Wow. Time flies when you're having fun. So Lanny's going to talk a little bit today about some of the things that he likes on the Gravely mowers that could benefit you.
So with the Gravely, basically on 5 different things. One, before anything else, made in America, Brilliant, Wisconsin. Our company's been there since 1933. That's what we do. We're American made and we're proud of it. So one of the big things with the Gravely, when you're looking at it, the 5 basic things: durability. This Gravely HD is on a commercial frame. It's commercial transmission. This thing's made to run all day, every day for you if you're mowing a big property at your house. The other thing, commercial cut quality. So it's going to get a good cut. If you want to do your yard right out front of your house and have it look really nice, mower for you. If you want to go out in the back and mow 2 acres, this mower is going to hold up with that heavy duty frame that it has. Operator comfort. We have a nice cushion seat, cushion armrest, going to take a lot of the vibration out so you can mow that 2 acres and feel good at the end of the day. Ease of maintenance for you. What's that mean? Well, if you have to clean out your deck, this can pop up. You can get right to the access points, clean your deck out really easily. Look at your belt. If you have a problem there, you can fix the belts, you can replace the belts. Everything is made for you to be able to get to it, fix it, change your oil. All these things we've thought out front for the operator to make it so it's really easy to use. And then the last thing, but very important, is the power source. These units right here have a Kawasaki engine. Kawasaki engine is kind of my preferred engine for our equipment because it's going to start every day, it's going to run every day.
You know, one thing I like, and I get a question about, what is this often? Is it a brake? Is it how I stop? No, it's actually for the height of cut. So this lever right here is called the foot height of cut adjuster. And what that does is raises and lowers the deck. The thing I like about this is when we're mowing in our wet northwest weather, and you're out on a Saturday, you got to mow whether it's rain or shine, right? I mean, we don't have a choice here, because if we waited till a sunny day, a sunny weekend, it may be a month and a half and the grass is going to be that long. So I'm out on a Saturday, I'm mowing, and I'm always listening to and paying attention to how the mower is reacting to my mowing. And I'm mowing along and I kind of hear that thing working a little harder. I can quick bump up this mower deck, lift it up, let it breathe. It's all about airflow on mowing. Let it breathe and let it back down and take back off. Or if I know there's a spot in my lawn where it's a little higher, right? I'm gonna scalp and I'm gonna just burn the turf right off. I can quick bump it up, kick right over it. So I love that foot operated height of cut. Very solid, really nothing to break in this thing.
And then the other part that goes along with this, it's easy to adjust the height. So right over here along the side here, you have in 1/4 inch increments of all the different heights. So again, if you're mowing the front yard, and you want it a little bit lower, maybe 2.5 inches, you set it quickly. But if you want to go out in the back and mow it maybe a little higher, it's really simple to change these, really simple to do this. The other thing when he's talking about the Northwest and the wet grass we have here, obviously this is a fact of life. It rains here in this area. So with this bagger that we have, this is what we also put on our commercial entry-level mowers. So this bagger will bag in a wetter environment. So that's kind of the one thing with a Gravely that you're going to see against a lot of the other stuff out there is how we bag and how efficiently we bag. And that it's going to help that cut quality with your mowing as you go along down the road. And part of the advantages with the HD series, we have a wide range of decks, from a 44 inch, 48, 52, and 60 inch deck. So we can take care of any kind of issues or any kind of mowing scenario that you guys can come up with this mower. The Aaron's company's been around since 1933, and we've been partnering with Carl's Mower and Saw for the last 30 years, and we look forward to a long continued relationship with these guys with a great product and a great company.
Well, I'm glad you want to stick with us. For a full line of Gravely mowers from the ZTX, ZTXL, the ZT-HD, my favorite, on up through the full commercial line, stop in at Carl's Mower and Saw, where we can get you hooked up with the right Gravely for your property.